So for the second part of this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to render out this video. So we've got our video that we created in the first half. I only use the first 50 frames. Remember, yours has to be at least 100 frames, which should be 3 1/3 seconds. Right here's the render setup. So I click on that render setup. And right in here, we have all of our rendering settings. Right now, it's set to time output as single. That's how it would only render one frame before. We want to go ahead and set it to either active time segment, which would be our 0 to 120, or for mine, I want to do 0 to 50 because I only used 50 frames. Then most of this, if you want to, you can get into changing some of these different things. So this is the size of your rendering. This is all the different options that will be included in the video. So you can see we have atmospherics, we have effects, displacements. There's all of our different. With setting up the render output, it's not going to work. So right here it has a place to select Save File. We have to go ahead and click Files first, and you will go ahead and locate where you want to save this. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right on my desktop to make it easy to find. You'll go ahead and give it a name. So I'm going to go ahead and just call this Test real quick. You're going to have to change the Save As format from all files to a video file format. So obviously an AVI would work. I would recommend AVI, or here's an MOV, which is going to be a QuickTime. I like AVI, it seems to work the best. You'd hit Save. Right here is the encoder. Notice that that doesn't allow you to change your quality. Let's go to the MJPEG compressor, and then I'm going to change that quality up there and hit OK. Now that is locked in as my save file. Once we've done that, we've set up everything we have to. You can experiment with some of the other settings if you want to. Same with all these tabs here, but we're going to hit render. Now it's going to render one image at a time until it's done creating the entire video. It will compile it, and then you're able to go ahead and play that video as a Microsoft video in like your Microsoft video player, things like that. This shouldn't take too long to render out, so I'll let it go and then show you the finished product. You can see now the ball is moving. It also tells you the frame number it's on. The reason there's 51 frames is because we have frame 0 as well. So 0 through 50 would give us our 51 frames. And there it is. It's done with that. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. I'm going to minimize this down, and right here is that test. And right there's our video. We can hit all play. So if it's too fast, you may want to go ahead and actually make your video stretch out further. This gives you an idea of how to do it.